Hello, friends! I wonder what exciting magical adventures await us in today's... Oh, look! A butterfly! I want to fly like a butterfly! Whee! Wait! I'm coming! Oh, Ron, not again.
Harry, we're going to be late for Dumbledore's class.
Oh, you're right. Let's go. Hello, class. Today we're going to be learning about a subject very close to my heart. Zac Efron. Oh no, Hermione. Dumbledore's going to try and prove that he loves Zac Efron the most, which is clearly not true because I love Zephron the most. Actually, I believe I love Zephron the... Shut up, Snape! Anyway, you need to distract him while I escape.
But Harry, why would I do that?
Because if you don't, this will happen.
Oh my God, you're right.
So go distract him.
Professor! Professor!
Miss Granger, this better be important. I was about to prove once and for all that I love Zephron the... My goodness, is that Harry Potter?
Chaotic! Well, I wasn't expecting this.
You give that back. I am Ron Weasley, King of the Butterflies.
Ronald Weasley, you give those back.
Never! Whee! Hello, flying red-headed child. Hello, evil Lord Voldemort. How are... Oh. Ha 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 ha. Surrender, King of the Butterflies, or meet an untimely end. Look! It's Zac Efron! Oh my goodness, where? I don't see him. He's right over there. Oh goody, I can finally prove that I love Zephron the most. Aha! What the... Avada Kedavra! Hooray! Wait, I have a brilliant idea. Yay! Apparate! You stop right there, Ronald Weasley. Ha ha! You're too late, for I have become... Rondemort, the Dark Lord of the Butterflies!
Oh no! What are we going to do?
I know what to do. Hooray! It's Harry Potter, the boy who lived. Stand back. You are in very big trouble, Ronald Weasley. Oh, bugger. Hooray! Hello? Can I have my head back now?
I ain't got nobody. Oh, and there's nobody that cares for me. There's nobody that cares